Once the program is burned in, it cannot be hacked, cannot be updated, cannot be infected. There is nothing to attack. Then, the microwave industry noticed. Microwaves do not need much intelligence. Countdown, beep, open door, stop, 12 buttons, that is it. A modern processor running this job would be like hiring a neurosurgeon to flip a light switch. The TMS-1000 by 1989 did the entire job with room to spare. Sharp, Panasonic, GE, and Whirlpool standardized on TMS-1000 family chips between 1988 and 1992. Within 5 years, an estimated 85% of microwaves shipped worldwide ran the same chip family.